Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking diced frozen hash brown potatoes in the air fryer. So all we need is a package of diced potatoes and a cooking spray so they don't stick to the air fryer. Now let's open the air fryer basket and spray it with a non-stick cooking spray. As an alternative to spray, you can also brush the air fryer basket with vegetable oil. Now I need to open a package of diced frozen potatoes. So I'll open it. And let's put the diced potatoes in the air fryer basket. Now don't put too many for best results so they're crisp and cooked through. I'm just going to put enough so they fit in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 15 minutes. Now 5 minutes later, let's take out the air fryer basket. So at this point, the diced potatoes are defrosted, so we need to season them and drizzle with some olive oil because frozen diced potatoes, they look like they're steamed. If you want them to be crispy and golden, you need to toss them in oil. And the easiest way to do it is to take them out and put it in a bowl. Because if you do this in the air fryer basket, the basket has holes and the oil will just go through the holes. So I'm just going to put them in a bowl and add a little olive oil, and you can use any vegetable oil, and season them with salt and pepper or any seasonings you like. Now some of those packages of frozen diced potatoes are seasoned, and if that's the case you don't need to add salt, and mine was unseasoned, so I'm going to sprinkle them with some salt and pepper. And let's toss them to coat in oil and seasonings. So now when they're tossed with oil, they will brown. Let's return the diced potatoes back to the air fryer basket. And let them finish cooking. Now 5 minutes later, let's open the air fryer basket and shake it so the diced potatoes cook evenly. See, they're already getting a little brown and crunchy. And let's put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these air fried diced hash brown potatoes. They look amazing. So golden brown and delicious. And so crispy. You're going to love them. Now if you'd like them even crisper, you can always put them back in the air fryer for an additional 5 minutes. But those are crispy enough for me. So good. They look amazing. I'm so excited about trying these diced potatoes. Let's try it. So crunchy. So delicious. I love these. You're going to love cooking diced hash brown potatoes in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!